Every Sunday, Jessie eagerly awaited her trip to her grandmother's house. As the weekend approached, her excitement grew, thinking about the warm hugs and the cozy moments spent in her grandma's kitchen. Jessie loved everything about her grandmother's house: the smell of fresh flowers in the garden, the sound of birds chirping, tirping, and the way the sunlight streamed through the windows, casting a golden glow on everything. But what she loved most was the special time they shared baking corn cake. "Jessie, would you like to help me with the corn cake today?" her grandmother would ask with a twinkle in her eye. "Yes, Grandma, I can't wait," Jessie would reply, her eyes sparkling with joy. Together, they would mix the ingredients, pour the batter into the baking pan, and watch as it baked to perfection. The delicious aroma filled the house, making Jessie's mouth water. While the cake cooled, they would sit at the kitchen table, sipping tea and chatting about everything under the sun. Jessie loved these moments, feeling a deep bond with her grandmother. Finally, it was time to enjoy the corn cake. Each bite was a little piece of heaven, soft and sweet, paired perfectly with the warm tea. As the sun began to set, Jessie knew it was time to say goodbye. She hugged her grandmother tightly, feeling a bit sad to leave. "See you next Sunday, Grandma," Jessie said, a hint of longing in her voice. "Of course, dear. I'll be waiting," her grandmother replied with a warm smile. As Jessie walked home, she felt a twinge of sadness, already missing her grandmother's house, but she knew that next Sunday she would be back, ready for more love, laughter, and delicious corn cake. Twinge.